Tower 1 completed.
Tower 1 done.
Done.
Now we're going to frame Tower 2.
And we're going to build the plank road in between them.
We're going to add the Lowe's provided slide.
And the accessories like the fun swings.
And the telescope. I can't see through this at all.
We've got a lot of work to do. Let's get going.
Let's hustle.
All right.
Positioning the platform for the second tower on the My Fix It Up Life playset requires a little attention to detail and some measuring techniques, and I'm going to show you how I've done it. The first thing I've done is I've established a control point. By pulling a string taut between the corner posts of Tower 1 over here straight, I know that I have a dependable control point to take measurements. The next thing I've done is I've measured the center point of this opening in Tower 1. In this case, the center of this opening is 27 3/8. So I know I want the center of Tower 2 to be 27 3/8 away from here. So this is how I figured that out. I know I'm level here and I can count on that. I'll take a framing square, I'll just touch the string, then I will measure the center line I've already marked here. Wish I had a third hand. And boom, 27 3/8. Now, we know we're good this way. The next thing is to make sure we're good this way. Because I've built this square, I can register my measurement right off the foundation. When this measurement and this measurement are parallel and the same length as my plank road, we know we can go ahead and frame our platform, put up our corner posts, and get ready for everything that's Tower 2, and that is what we're going to do next.
Reach out to me with such uncertainty. I see the anger gone in your eye. Let go of sorrow that turns
The way we measure our window and door cleats is pretty cool. What we do first is we map out the center line of the opening. In this case, it's 27 3/8. Then we take our tape and we put our 1 foot mark on the center line. Make a mark at the end. And then we go to the 2 foot mark and make another mark. That gets us a window that is absolutely centered and absolutely accurate and easy to install. The next part of framing our window openings is anchoring the bottom of our window opening cleats. These are 2x4s cut to fit between the decking and the upper band joist. And I know I've got this roughly plumb, but I double check that I'm right on the money, which I am. Then we take a couple of screws, toe screw them up into the band joist. That creates our window opening, and this is one of the really cool things that brings Theresa's design light and life.
no more days locked in gray.
Okay, these may just look like a couple of 2x6s here in our play set, but really what they do is they build up our play platform to the critical height of 7 feet. The slide that Lowe's provided for the My Fix It Up Life playset has a play platform height requirement of 7 feet. So whether you're building your own playset or you're building this design, remember that. The most critical layout element, whatever your playset looks like, is the play platform requirement height for the slide. Happy sliding.
We just finished putting in our ladder for our playset.
It leans against the wall at about a 16-degree angle. A couple of steps to get it that way. Here's how we did it. First thing we did was use the 2x6 to figure out our angle. Next thing we did was measured and marked for the rungs of our ladder. And the third thing we did was cut and install the ladder.
What do you get when you combine pressure-treated southern pine,
And galvanized gas pipe.
fun monkey bars, and a plank road?
And we're going to show you how to build it next. The plank road is really two things. Underneath it is the monkey bars, and I'm going to build those now. But on top is a bridge between the towers. So the first thing I'm going to do to build the monkey bars is I'm going to square up the ends of my boards, and then I'm going to cut them to length. Next, I'll lay out for where the monkey bar assemblies go. I'll put the two halves together. Finally, we'll put it across and connect the towers.
I'm ready for the monkey bars.
This is fun. We're going to do this like the Egyptians did. We won't lift all the weight at once. We'll use leverage as our friend. How's that?
We move it over on our marks. I'm good.
Okay.
This is all about teamwork.
You. Good.
2 inches.
Let's just leave it there. I'll climb up, and then
Oh Lord. Honey.
what I'll do is I'll climb up over there and pull it over.
Oh my goodness. Be careful. Thank you, darling.
Don't look now. I'll be right back.
No, 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 no. Mark. Oh, come on. I think we have a good insurance policy. Yes. What is it that's nail polish?
All right!
You ready?
And that, my friends,
It's monkey bars. Can I say? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Nice action. Now I feel good about you doing that. Now it's all secured. So let's get our plank road in so we can put the swings in and I can have a good old time.
right on.
Thank you.
And that's all happening next on My Fix It Up Life Playset Edition.
We've built our bridge from Tower 1 to Tower 2 and we've decked it out and we're putting in the railings now.
That's right. We've borrowed a detail from deck building code where we're going to space our 2x2 pickets at 5 inches on center. We've got to trim these boards neatly and install the pickets, which we'll show you how to do next.
Building a playset is all about fun, but you can't forget to be safe in order to have a good time.
That's right. That's why we've designed and installed a very, very solid railing system. The railing system has a bottom rail, that's a 2x4, a top rail, also a 2x4, and that top rail is going to be bridged with a top cap to protect the end grain of
And don't forget,
2x2 pickets. The next thing we're going to do is show you how we measure, mark, and lay these out so that the posts and pickets are laid out evenly. Okay, we've just marked the backs of our bottom and top rails so that they align with the posts. That's the control point for our layout. So that's our top rail. This is our bottom rail. Fits a little snug. We're going to take and back up a little, honey. We're going to butt them both up against the opposite rail. This is so that they're in line with each other. Next, we're going to lay them out 5 inches on center for pickets. I'm going to show you how to do that. Theresa's got her tape out. I'm going to go to 4 1/4, make an X to the right. 9 1/4, make an X to the right. That puts the center of my pickets right on a 5, a 10, a 15, and so on.
and the X marks where the board goes, on which side of the line Mark's making.
Exactly, that's what the X is for. You know, it's really cool when going fast and being accurate end up being the same thing. Theresa is going to connect the dots right here between the layout marks on the top rail and transfer them quickly and as accurately as possible with her layout square to the bottom rail.
Leave all behind, clear your words and your mind. Move on and see all that you can and will be. I see the laughter caught in your eye. Let go of sorrow that turns you inside. Let go, life carries on. Let go, be where you belong. Let go.
And we are done.
DUN, DIY done.
DIY done. Our foundations are set. Our walls are built. Our windows are in. The swings are in under the monkey
The
bars.
slide is in, the steering wheel, the telescope. We have
And
it
the
all.
telescope can show you where to go.
You can go to myfixituplife.com to check out the project plans, and don't forget to send us photos of your completed play sets, info@myfixituplife.com, or Facebook, My Fix It Up Life.